Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from RF Radio Network, where we connect people through the power of radio. And today, TID Radio is now a sponsor, and they sent me this TID M13 push-to-talk over cellular radios, PoC radios for short, PoC. These things are freaking adorable. Now, you are familiar with OD Master. You must have that installed on your phone in order to get these bad boys registered on the network. It comes with a micro SIM card. Eventually it'll break out to the tiny one. And you slide that bad boy in. The contacts must be facing you to install this. So I just want to show you these radios. These things are adorable. Look at the size of these things. They're so cute. So we're going to go over real quick, and then we're going to show you how to set it up on the phone. Comes with 2 power bricks, 2 charging cables, 2 lanyards, and 2 belt clips. I mean, you could throw this in your pocket. You don't even need it on a belt clip. This is adorable. So what we're going to do is we're going to power these. We're going to power one up. You press and hold the red button on the right hand side. It shows, it's red, and it has a little power indicator on. You press and you press and hold that until it powers up. If you just press it once, it'll turn on and then off. So make sure that you press and hold that red power button, and then it'll come up. It'll immediately show a barcode or QR code on the screen. Now this is where you would set up an OD master username and password. You must do that. You cannot bypass that process. You must set up a username and password account. It's kind of good, because if you're already using OD master for your other devices for Bluetooth communications in terms of programming, you're already halfway there. However, you can program the radio without a username and password. However, with this particular product, you cannot. And right on the screen it shows the barcode. So we're going to run OD Master. And now we hit the, let's make sure we're logged in. We should be logged in. So we're going to hit plus. We're going to hit add. We're going to select M13. It's scanning. Found one radio. And let's see. So it shows on the screen not registered, but it is. It says device online. So eventually this will communicate.
13 minus 3,437 logged joint group device group.
Now this just confirmed it's online. This is one radio. So we're going to go and power on this radio. So this is ready to go. Now what you can do is you can set up your own group, your own family private group. You can make it private, and then the whole family goes in it, or you can leave it on device group. Device group is this own entity. It's only the radios that are on it. Hence the reason why it's called device group. Makes sense, right? Only you and whoever else is in it. It's a great way to just keep family private. You don't have to create a group. You can just leave it in device group, and that's it. Or if you're giving these radios out, you want people to join groups and do other things, this is a great way to, communicate with pretty much anyone. It's better than a cell phone, technically, because you just push to talk. Remember Nextel? This is just like Nextel. Identical. Except it's in a radio form. So let's, this radio is done. Let's go back and hit plus again. We hit M13. We scan the barcode. We hit OK, and we're waiting for this to come online. You just have to wait. They're both rocking and rolling, and their model number.
M13 minus 3,635 logged joint group device group.
Now what it does is when it registers with the network, it repeats its name by default. So this one's M13. Which one is it? This is M13 3635, and this one's M13 3437. Now, we can rename these radios within the OD Master app. Very easy. You click on the radio. You click on the top section where it has a little box and a little pen where the name is. And here, you change the name. If you want to put the kids' names in, or family members' names in, or you want to register it as something completely different, you know, underwater basket weaver, or lighting team, or you even use this for hunting. You know, this can be used for anything because it uses the cellular network. Hopefully, where you are in hunting, you have cell service there because it's only good if you have cellular. It does not work over Wi-Fi. This is strictly a cellular, over network. This is only cellular capability, 100%. So now that we have both radios rocking, all right. So the menu system is pretty cool. So you have groups up top. So the left arrow goes up, the right arrow goes down. You set up groups. It's only whatever you put in OD Master, this is what will be listed here. And if you make any changes on OD Master, you must reboot the phone in order for it to see it. It will not automatically show up on the screen, so you must power off the device and power it back up. That's the same thing with the name change. If you change names in OD Master, you must power off the radio and turn it back on again. So now we go to contact list. This will only be the contact list that's whatever group you're part of. Settings. Got a lot of settings here. So you have voice prompts. If you want all these prompts on, you can turn all that off. Key tone, if you want the beeps to turn on, you can turn that off. Backlight, how long you want the backlight to stay on for. So I have it set for 60 seconds. Single call exit, 90 seconds. Battery, how much battery you want in terms of battery save. Standard performance, power saving, ultra. We have TTS switch, startup, switching, single call. We'll leave everything standard by default. Breathing light, that's this light up here. You can turn that on and off if you want. You don't need to have that on. Just let you know that you're actually connected to the network. Let's continue down. So breathing, net light, time and date, and that's it. And just remember, this device also acts as a third product to communicate with these radios. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
All three devices. This one, the phone, you heard it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So the phone and that radio. So now we have 3 devices that we communicate with. You don't have to use this. You can use a radio, but you have an option. You can give this to both your kids, and then you can be able to communicate with the phone through OD Master. It's a win-win. Great product. I really like it. And if you are a tinkerer and you had these a really long time and you're having some battery difficulties, you can replace the battery yourself. You won't believe it. I tore this radio down, this one actually, and I went inside of it just to see inside of it. It's put together really well. You can see it works perfectly fine. I have no problems with it. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Works great. This gets the RF Radio Network Instant Awesome rating because it uses an 18650 battery. 2,000 milliamps, and it's user replaceable. It's not soldered in. That's awesome. The quality of the electronics that they use in this device is bar none impressive. It's unbelievably incredible. It's just, they spent so much time on it, and it's just awesome. That's all I have to say. So don't fret if it doesn't charge anymore. You can take this apart easily. It's not a problem. And you can replace that battery with maybe a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. Then this uses IMR cells, which is also impressive. IMR is one of the leaders in battery technology, just like Samsung. This thing will last forever. As long as the cellular network is active and working, this will work all the time. It's amazing. It's a great, great product. I recommend it. I will have a link in the description below to purchase it if you're interested in getting this for your family. I would get a whole bunch of them. These things are sick. And it's only, I believe it's only $30 a year to run these things. I believe that's the cost. I can't test it or check it because it won't let me add any more money to the account. I was trying to find out how much it is. I really don't know, but I think the going rate is either $30 a year or less. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. This is Joe Tech from RF Radio Network, where we are connecting people through the power of radio. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
This is RF Radio Network. In the static, we found our sound. Breaking through